Sir, ma'am, good morning. Kita mi may kay Sir Dexter. Sir, may odto. Ay, ikaw, Sir Dexter David. Naay, ano, atod na mo itong order ni mga cake.
Ito na cake.
Sa Cakes by Lian, mani.
Ito na order.
Imuha ang pangalan, sir.
Ano order yan?
Kuan, 1-2. Dili lang daw bayad. Dili lang bayad. Oo. Pa-receive na mo, sir?
Wala ko mag-order ba?
Ay, sige, tanawan na lang tong ano, kay may aram na note dito ba?
Ano order yan? Cake Balian daw.
Ali, sir, pa-receive na mo, sir? Naami diri, sir, oh. Mukha mang pangalan good, sir. Wala ka ka-order? Yun, yan na natin, sir, anong bayad? Diri, sir, oh. Maliog ni, sir. Nadira. Nadira, sir.
Ako ano eh?
Pa-open lang, sir. Rice! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Haba ng hair! Sige, sir. Oh, nagagagaling! Wow! Sana all! Sir, wala kay idea? Wala. Wow! Sana all may girlfriend. Na-message para sa imo, sir. Happy birthday, Han. Always remember that I am here to support you. I am always proud of you. Kahit na milya-milyang layo natin sa isa't isa. Always remember our promises that will keep us connected. I wish you a lot of happiness, good health, and success. I love you to the moon and back. I miss you every single day. Have a blast, honey ko. Love, me, all the way from Germany. Ay, sana all. Bugat, sir, bugat. Tasa na to. Okay. Sir, nag-expect ka? Wala dyan. Okay. Mangayo, may mensahe ni mo para kay ma'am.
Nag-istorya na yun.
Sige lang, lahi matong madunggan nila, oh.
Thank you. I love you too.
Wow! Sana all. Okay, sige. Kamu diha, ma'am. Basi na mo wish kay sir.
Wish you all the luck. Wish go, guys.
Wish.
Wish you all the luck in life.
Hello.
Sige. Kantahan sa nato si sir og happy birthday.
Yeah. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sir, birthday wish.
Thank you.
Ay,
I wish for world peace.
okay.
Hello, Dad.
Sige. Sige, sir. Blow your candle.
Best wishes.
Ah! Wow! Soon, my good sir, na soon.
Wish na po, best wishes.
Okay. Salamat. Sir, happy birthday. Nalipay mi no nga. Pila mo gidad karon? 41. Wow, very young. Kami ang Sweet Joy Well of Surprise sa Kidapawan. Happy mi nga kami naging part sa imong ika-41st birthday. Happy ka karon sir, wala?
Happy kayo.
Happy kayo. Oh, last message kay ma'am.
Love you too.
Wow, sana all. Walang makadata si Sir Dex. Happy birthday.
Salamat.
side.